guys, starting my day with a hot dog. This is my breakfast. Hot dog, cheese, ketchup, mayo. I'm gonna add a little pepper. So, breakfast for Saturday morning. Yay! So guys, I know you all hear people talk about candles a lot, right? Like, especially by somebody works candle. But this is the truth with the candle. If you're looking for a place to keep scented for a long time, I don't believe candle is it. And for me, like, candles are a decoration. You have to burn it for a long time in order to really get the scents out. I burn them now and then, but not very often. So really and truly, I use my candles for decoration because they're expensive, that is one, and like for the scent to really come out, even these small ones, I don't believe in investing in these small ones. It's best to get the bigger ones. When I burn these, they're harder to scent the house than when you have the 3-wick ones. So yeah, I'm not burning your thought on candles for scents, but I don't know, I guess for me, I burn candles just to have like a different mindset or a different vibe, and just to have that, horror. But nah, scented house, or keep the house scented for a while, or just to get the scent coming up, you have to burn it for a while, like a good amount of time. Yeah, that's for me though. Let me know, what are your thoughts on candles?
I try to resist, we can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an ever since we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. We go each away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you.
Guys, tell me, why is it so cold in Jamaica? Why is it so cold in Jamaica? Or are the part of Jamaica with me there? Because outside cold. I've been cleaning all day. I'm hungry now. So I'm concerned to go get something to eat. or should I go grab a movie, go catch a movie, and then get something to eat, or do both in between? I'm hungry from morning. I'm eating to see was the hot dog, and I am very hungry right now. So I'm just leaving home. And I have to go get some gas because I only have 4 bars in here, and I really don't know what my agenda is for the evening, so I definitely have to go get some gas, well, for sure. Over the other day I have to do what is me have to? I have to go service my car. I know for sure the transmission I want to change. In reference to Odain's car, the mechanic told Odain not to change the transmission in his car if it not give him trouble. With my car now, I believe that the transmission wants to be changed. The transmission oil needs to be changed because the chocolate not sound good and it not pull through the hill them like how it used to. Like, you know, so it's not the transmission I go, it just, you know, the oil won't change, so it get a lazy feeling. That's me. But the inside seems fine to him, but I know how my car sounds. I know my car operation of my car. Because I listen to everything in here thoroughly. Like, I know everything sound, and you know. So yeah. But that's what's up. It's now around 5. Time I fast and I can't make the calculation, you know. About 5:15. Yeah, about that. About 5:15 or 5:14. This man can drive in front of me, the nice BMW, and come and slow me up. Sir? You can't barely go. Alright guys, that's what's up. I'm not sure me I go movies, or I don't know where me I go. I left me out, but me not for sure me have to get something. I left home, but a girl don't have, me not have not even half an inch idea where me I go. So yeah, but the BMW can slow me up. So let me figure this out, then get back to home. Alright guys, I left my lights in the car. So the plan is to go watch a movie. I'm going to watch Wonka. I think that's from Willy Wonka, like a spin-off from Willy Wonka. I don't know. I looked up on the internet before I came. I got through. I'm so happy I got to get. When I come in this one truck line and pick me, I walk and come. I think I in here them I come. Run breathlessly past them. Anyways, we'll get something to eat first, so we'll watch the movie. Over.
A place to
Guys, the Starbucks after the movies. I didn't know Starbucks had a menu. They do have a menu. Yeah, I didn't know. I'm going to see something on the menu tonight and see what's good. But Starbucks, what up? I got inside the car, and here what's the plan. I was going to give you guys this vlog today and giving you 2 vlogs for today, but I realized that the Vlogmas day 15 it's just at 100 and something views, so I'm not gonna bother give you guys that vlog, this vlog. Sometimes I chat me, I want to chat say. I'm not gonna bother giving you this vlog tonight. Alright, so I was gonna give you guys this vlog. I did vlog. Come here, laugh after myself, like I'm such an idiot. Alright, I was gonna give you guys this vlog today, which are the 18, but because the vlog that I gave for the 15, I reached, what today on the 18, idiot? Today is 16. It's so good when you can sit and laugh with yourself. But I cut the pizza and never talk to them because me a damn idiot. I'm still here laughing at my clown self. Trust me, I'm so dumb, but I'm actually majority of fat up because I laugh at myself. Backside. Are these girls coming from the beach at this hour? More likely, they're naked. Guys, alright, personal pan. I made a big mistake. I do not like the regular pizza sauce, and I forgot to tell them no regular pizza sauce, barbecue sauce, and I forgot. No, I'm not gonna enjoy the pizza, but it's really hot, so I'm gonna dig in, but I'm not gonna enjoy it. I really hate the regular pizza sauce, too salt. But yeah, two of them enough for me. I'm not take me greedy than nobody else. But yeah, a while ago I thought I got a Mountain Dew free because she said to me, say Mountain Dew or 7-Up bottle of water. I never order Mountain Dew or 7-Up. So I think I get upon the bill, and me know I never say I did the order because I feel like personally, let me know if this is wrong, but personally I think these companies, they are robbing us as the customers all the time. Especially my main thing too, when I believe in robbery, they only give us one condiment, and the pepper, eat me attack. Then girl, you have to buy one bigger piece of one alone, they want get. If you ask them more, they talk, but they can't give more. They do a lot of things where they rip us off. So them giving me an extra drink, even though I don't like soda, I go take it, and I've missed 2 pieces of them on mine. So the soda we get drink by somebody. But me I realize on the receipt it said no extra cost. So it look like a free. The soda come with the personal pan. I didn't know. So yeah, so yeah, today in Ocho Rios this evening I saw 4 students, actually 5 children that attend the school that I attend. 2 of them are some little baby, them don't know me like by my name, but them they by the infant school, but I know them face. Never approach them because I don't teach them and whatever. But I saw some other kids. I saw a girl that I teach, a little girl that I teach. I saw she and her brother. I saw another one that knows me well, but I don't teach him. But yeah. I go to the event on a batty rider and I'm a batty. I mean, known for wear them stuff that sometimes, you know. Yeah, me I teach about me wear batty rider and I'm a bam too. Anyways, guys, me go done the vlog, me go hit the road. I'll catch you guys in Vlogmas day. Today our day one. Today is the 16th. So I'll catch you guys in Vlogmas day 18 for sure. Vlogmas day 18 because we're gonna upload this on the 17th. So the next time after this, you're not gonna see me at day 18. Yeah, your girl should not all that fufu, she get it correct. Mega eat the road now, I take on the road now, far me I go. So I love you guys. I personally I feel okay today. I know the last few vlogs my mood did down, but my spirit kind of feel good tonight, and I hope it stays up. And I feel good. I feel at peace. I feel relaxed, and I am feeling smile with you too. One guy I look for me in the car, security look for me and smile, and me I smile back with him too. I'm feeling good tonight. I am feeling good. Are you feeling good? Me I feel good. And then me I listen to this song. So I'm gonna put a praise on it by Tashoya because my favorite gospels are from her. Yeah. Alright guys, later. Big up on yourself. Next vlog. Bye.